This is TEMU Hauls with some Apple lookalikes and one wireless microphone, so we will see how it looks. So I got here 2 Apple watches lookalikes copies, or we'll see how they look right now. Some iPhone headphones lookalikes or copies, so we'll see the quality. The prices of these items is around $20, so altogether is like 60 bucks, 60 euros. And I ordered some wireless microphone, so we'll see how it looks like. So let's open first watch. Let me see. Okay, we have some, I guess, instructions with some QR code, and here is, oh my god, packages really look cheap, but the watch itself doesn't look so bad. I don't know. Let's peel this thing off, and we have the bracelet. Let's try to assemble it. Okay, that goes quite easy. Okay. Wow. It's a lot similar to the iWatch. Let's see. Does it work? Or do I have to charge it? Oh my god, look at the charger. This is... What's this? Check this thing out. My god. Okay, I guess I have to charge it first, because at the moment it's not working. Let's see other watch. Okay, this pack. Okay, this one is already with the bracelet on. Oh, this one works. Check this thing out. I must be honest, this looks pretty good. Let me see if there any charger in there. Okay, this is quite different. How this works here. Okay. I like this charger way more than the other. It's a magnetic thing, and it's not so bad at all. I think it was 20 euros. Let me show you the other one, which is catastrophic for me. Check this. I guess you just... Oh my god. I guess you have to take off the bracelet every time, or what? Oh no. I guess you could charge it like this. Okay, the next item is these headphones, lookalikes, copy, or you can call it whatever you want. Box is pretty cheap. Look at this plastic bag. Oh my god, is there a charger here? Wait a second. Yeah, what is... It feels pretty cheap, I must be honest. Plastic, I have a feeling it can break at any time. Okay, you can adjust the... but I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. You have some buttons here. I definitely need to test it later and tell you. Oh my god. So $19, I guess. You can give this to your kids to play around with. This feels so cheap. I don't know, does it even work? I'm gonna test it later and tell you what my thoughts about this. Okay, and we have this wireless microphones. It's looks like a copy of a rodeo. Okay, guess this is the microphone, and this is the receiver, or the thing that goes on the camera. But how to attach it on camera, I don't know. Let me see what we have here. Okay, we have some cables. This is the connection to iPhone, I guess, to the camera, and few more cables and some instructions, mostly on Chinese from the side. Okay, I'm gonna test this also and gonna give you thoughts about it. Okay guys, after testing these products, I must say I'm pretty impressed with the most of it. Watches, after you pair it with your phone, after downloading the application from the manual, they're working pretty good. They give you the time, can measure your heart rate, notifications from your phone. So for less than 20 euros, this is more than a good deal. Mics, wireless mics, they're also pretty good. They seem light and plasticky, but they do the job. Also, they are around the 20 euros. So I will put now the audio test so you can hear how they sound. Okay, this should be the sound from the mic. I'm going away from my phone. Where is the receiver? I'm right now approximately 7 meters and more. I'm going back and we'll see the quality of the sound. So this was the test of this. And headphones, this is probably only product from this haul that I have to say it's a pretty shitty. I must say it's a no-no. It's so low quality, sound is catastrophic. You just can't use this for anything at all. So I don't know. This is the waste of money, so you shouldn't buy this at all. But the watches are pretty good, and the mic, wireless mic, is also pretty good deal. So I hope this video could help you, and see you next one.